7 incredible moments when prey escapes big cats. Will they succeed, or will they fail miserably? Animals in the natural world have to evolve to adapt, the environmental change or risk being killed by other animals. Hello everyone! Today's video will have everyone admiring the moments of prey's narrow escape from the wildlife's excellent hunters. In the rare scene of the leopard near the pack of lions, the lions can't consume the leopard, but that doesn't mean they won't kill it. The leopard's courage is not trivial. It dares to toy with and play pranks among the lion pack. After a moment of staying with the lions and seeing them as so boring, the leopard immediately ran away, which made the lion pack feel startled and then pursue it. This pack of lions has just finished a successful hunt. Their trophy this time is a buffalo. While they are dealing with the buffalo, their own kind comes. The buffalo herd comes close, but the number of lions in the herd at the time is not small. This is quite an interesting video when there is an appearance by the cubs. They follow the herd to observe, and a lioness will stay there to protect their children. When the buffalo sees its friend completely die in front of the lion's snaps, it can do nothing but leave. In nature, the leopards often choose the smaller prey, but they are extremely good at hunting the crocodiles. It can be said that leopards and crocodiles are mortal enemies because they always attack each other. This leopard is stalking and coming close to the sunbathing crocodile near the land. But when the leopard approaches the crocodile, it instantly hides under the water. It's hard for the leopard to hide in its environment. This zebra is crossing the road. Suddenly, it discovers a hidden predator in the grass. The zebra instantly runs like a lamplighter. The hidden lioness also quickly pursues it. Only the male lion stays and waits for the triumph of the lioness. What happens with the final result has to rely on the luckiness of the two sides. When the lion discovers the leopard nearby, it immediately lies down. The leopard also quickly discovered the lion, so it immediately ran away. It is easy to see the difference in running speeds between lions and leopards. The lion has more muscles, so it can easily attack other animals, but the leopard is better at speed. At last, the leopard flees onto the tree to avoid the lion. The lions mostly eat ungulates, although the lions sometimes kill other carnivores, including their own kind, leopards, hyenas, and crocodiles. They almost never eat them. The scene of a big cat pursuing the red wolf across the road through the forest. After that, the Bengal tiger lowers its speed and slowly approaches the wolf, regardless of the opponent's attempts to keep distance. Maybe the red wolf is finding a way to entice the tiger out of its cave, or it's likely that the red wolf is teasing the tiger. Bengal tigers and red wolves have been enemies for a long time. However, these two species rarely take the initiative to confront each other. This elephant is standing among the lionesses, but it's still calm because the lion pack does not dare to attack it. Elephants are the largest animals in Africa, and they are also very intelligent. Elephants are rarely attacked by predators because their thick skin reduces the bite force of other animals. A moment later, after another elephant arrived, the lion pack immediately ran away because they knew this battle was unequal. Despite being the most powerful predators, they cannot always hunt other kinds of animal. Videos today will end here. If you find it interesting, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye, thank you, and see you soon in the upcoming videos.